Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be unboxing, what to expect, and a comparison video of the mAh power bank 3i 20,000 mAh. Now this one is a 18 watts fast charging PD power bank. What PD means is it's a power delivery power bank. So this can actually fast charge through your type C port. So it has a extra port on this which can actually do charging in and charging out. So we'll be talking about that in this video. So let's go ahead and open this up and we will be comparing this with the new 10,000 mAh 3i power bank. So I've actually bought both of them. So we'll be comparing and then we'll be discussing who should buy the 20,000 and who should buy the 10,000 mAh power bank. So let's go ahead, open this up. This should just slide out completely. So you have the manual. Let's see the manual first. Okay, so it shows you the product overview, the charging and discharging. It gives you the information about all the LEDs. So you have 4 LEDs in this. Okay, so we'll be talking about that in this video itself. Let's keep this aside. Let's remove the power bank. So that is the power bank. So this one is completely made of plastic. Let's see the charging cable this time. Okay, one good thing is you get a type C charging cable now. So you can use the same cable to charge the power bank and charge the phone. So this actually has a type C port. So that's the difference. So the other 20,000 mAh, the 2i one had just 3 ports. So you had the 2 output ports and 1 micro USB charging port. So this one is the extra one. So this is actually an input and an output port. So now you can actually charge the power bank from here and you can use a type C to type C cable to actually charge your phone or any other device, or you can even get a lightning cable to a type C cable and do a fast charging on your iPhone. So this is what it is. So you have the button here on the right hand side. With this you can actually see the battery percentage. Once you press that, it will show you the battery percentage. If you double press it, it goes into low power charging mode. So that is for charging any of your Bluetooth devices or devices which actually takes less than 1 ampere of power. So there are a lot of them. So for that you have to go into this mode. Okay, so that's the ports. Now everything else is plain. You don't have any more buttons. At the bottom it just shows you the information, 20,000 mAh, and that's it. So I actually like the grip. So the other 2i also is completely the same. The size is the same, the button placement is the same, everything is the same, just that you have one extra port here. In the 2i you don't have that. The 2i is also a 18 watts fast charging device, and this one is also 18 watt fast charging device. Now let's talk about fast charging for the iPhone. Now this one actually has power delivery option. So you get type C to lightning cable. So I'll show you that cable. So this is the cable for the iPhone. So this is a type C to a lightning. So this supports fast charging. You need a power bank which actually supports PD, power delivery, and then you have to buy this cable. Only then can you actually fast charge your iPhone. Otherwise, if you have your regular lightning cable, it will not work. It will not do fast charging on an iPhone. So let's see how that actually works. So this is the iPhone. I'll connect this over here and I will connect the other end over here onto the type C port. Now you'll see it has started charging. Now because it's 100% charged, you can't really make out any difference. You won't even see how fast is it charging. Now with an iPhone it doesn't show fast charging symbols, so you won't even know, but this is how it works. So now it is actually a output port, so it's giving you power out. So the same way you get type C to type C or type C to other ports also, you can actually use any of those cable to actually charge. So now you can charge 3 devices with it, one over here, one over here, and one over here. And this one is the input port, and the type C port is also an input port. So you have 2 input and 3 output. So that's the use. So if you want to fast charge your iPhone, or if you want a power delivery port to charge any other device which supports power delivery, then go for the new one, the new 3i version. But if you do not want power delivery, then you can still go for the 2i 20,000 mAh. Both of them are exactly the same. Now let's talk about who should buy the MI 10,000 mAh 3i power bank and who should buy the 20,000 mAh power bank. Now both of them are a slight upgrade to the previous one. The major difference is just the extra port. On the 10,000 also you have an extra type C port. On the 20,000 also you have an extra type C port. But the 20,000 mAh one actually supports power delivery, and it's an input and output port, the type C one. Over here it is just an input port. So the 10,000 mAh one will only support output from these two ports. These two, the micro USB and the type C port, are just for input, so you can charge them with any of those cables. So that is the use in case you have a device which does not support power delivery, but you want to have a power bank which supports the same cable that your phone came with. So most of the phones nowadays are type C. So if you have a phone which has a type C cable, then you should go for the newer 3i versions. The older one were just micro USB. So now you actually know how both of them actually work and what's the difference between both of them and between this one and their previous versions. So in case you have any further questions or any other doubts, you can always message me. I have my information in the description and at the end of the video, or you can even email me and I'll reply back to that. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video.